Technology has changed the way we drive, from parking sensors and blind spot alerts to lane assist and adaptive cruise control. These tools are designed to help us stay safe, but they also raise a question: are we becoming too reliant on them? Welcome back to Drive Smart, where we explore how to stay safe, aware, and in control on the road, no matter how smart our cars get. You might not think of your car as automated, but chances are it already is. Blind spot warning lights, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts are all forms of automation. These systems can save lives. Studies show that blind spot sensors alone can reduce lane change crashes by 14%. A study by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety found that vehicles equipped with blind spot monitoring were 14% less likely to be involved in lane change crashes, and 23% less likely to be involved in lane change crashes that cause injuries. In fact, the report's author noted, if every vehicle had blind spot monitoring, about 50,000 police-reported crashes and 16,000 injuries a year could be prevented. It's a powerful reminder that even small pieces of technology, like that little light on your mirror, can make a real difference. But there's a catch. The more technology takes over, the easier it is for drivers to switch off mentally. I've included links to the full study and supporting EU safety report in the video description if you'd like to dig into the data yourself. Even the smartest car can't predict everything. Cameras get dirty, sensors misread road markings, and software doesn't always see hazards the way a human can. That's why driver attention is still the most critical safety feature of all. Automation assists, it doesn't replace. Take self-cancelling indicators, for example. On paper, they sound helpful, one less thing for you to do. But in practice, they can cancel too soon, like when you're navigating a roundabout, or stay on long after the turn is complete. It's a small feature, but to me, it highlights the balance we need to find. Some technology adds real safety benefits. Others can actually take away a bit of driver control and awareness. What do you think? Are cars getting too clever for their own good? Or is automation the key to safer roads? Let me know in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more weekly Drive Smart videos. Fully autonomous vehicles are already being tested on roads around the world. In the future, they might handle everything from navigation to collision avoidance. But that transition will take time, and it will rely on trust, understanding, and awareness. Even with more automation, the principles of safe driving remain the same. Stay alert, anticipate, and take responsibility for your space on the road. Technology can make driving safer, but it's no substitute for good habits and human judgment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Drive Smart videos on distracted driving and defensive driving to stay one step ahead. When you drive smart, you drive safe.